today's show, we'll be showing you how to make rose bread and banana bread. Let's go to Isabel. The first time the banana bread recipe appeared was in the Pillsbury 1933 Balanced Recipes Cookbook. Let's see it, Reese.
Let's make this banana bread. You will need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 cup of softened butter, 5 eggs, and 4 ripe bananas. The riper the better. First, mash your bananas. It should look like this. First, add your bananas, brown sugar, and white sugar into a bowl. Mix. Then add in your butter. Mix again. Then add in your eggs. Stir. Add in your flour, almond flour, and baking soda. Mix one last time. There's going to be chunks, so don't worry. You're going to want to line your bread pans with some parchment paper. It'll be easier for you to take out. You're going to need 2 pans. Put your banana bread into the pans. Distribute evenly. We're going to cook this at 350 for 1 hour. Once it's done, take it out. Let them cool for about 5 minutes. Pull out of the pan. Then cut into about 1-inch pieces. There you have it, your banana bread.
And that's all we have for today's show. Tune in tomorrow for At Home with TJTV, and I'll see you next week, Jags.